Okay, next question is differentiate between metals and non-metals on the basis of their chemical properties. So all of you take out a notebook and copy in that actually, because this answer is long and this everybody, this is an important question. So you should have a proper answer written for this. So all of you can write these points. I am making you write here. Okay. This way you will make 3 columns. This is question number 14. Okay. Page number 57. Metals and non-metals, chapter 3, back exercise. Okay. So first of all, nature of ions. Okay. Metals lose one or more electrons and form positive ions. Okay. Example, sodium, which has one electron in its outermost shell, gives Na plus after losing one electron. Okay. Non-metals, non-metals gain one or more electrons and forms negative ions. Okay. Like chlorine, which has 7 electrons in its outermost shell, it gains electron and it forms chlorine ion. Okay. So sodium ion, here you can write chlorine ions. Okay. Next, nature of oxides. Second, nature of oxides. So metals form basic oxides.
मैम
Yes.
मैम इधर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव भी लिख सकते हैं ना?
हाँ, लिख सकते हो, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, मेटल्स आर इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव, नॉन मेटल्स आर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव, एक ही बात है. ओके.
मैम ये प्रॉपर्टीज है मैम, वो फिर वो लस्टर वाली वो चीज क्या है?
वो फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज है, ये केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज है. वो सारी फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज है जो हमने शुरू में पढ़ी है. इंपॉर्टेंट डिफरेंस है, ये स्टूडेंट्स बहुत कॉमन मिस्टेक करते हैं, ये हमको पता रखना है. केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ये है, फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज जो हमने स्टार्टिंग में पढ़ी थी वो है. ओके. सो नेचर ऑफ ऑक्साइड्स, मेटल फॉर्म्स बेसिक ऑक्साइड्स and non-metals form acidic oxides or neutral oxides. Then should I display this slide more or have you written? Can I move to next point?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Then third one, reaction with water or steam. Okay. Some active metals like sodium, potassium, calcium, aluminium, iron, etc. displace hydrogen from water or steam. Non-metals generally do not react with water. Except fluorine. Fourth, reaction with dilute acid. Metals which lie above hydrogen in activity series displace hydrogen from dilute acid. Acid. Non-metals do not react with dilute acids. So written this 4 points. Can I move to
Yes,
next?
ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next again, fifth property. Metals and non-metals. This is fifth. Oxidizing. And reducing behavior. Okay. Metals are strong reducing agents. As they have tendency to lose electron. Lose electron. And non-metals are strong oxidizing agent. Tendency to accept electrons. Okay. So this you have to write. And if you will write this in tabular form with covering all the points, you will not lose any mark. You will get complete marks for this question. Question number 15 we have already done before. So answer for this is men went door to door posing as a goldsmith. So actually, can you play the detective to find the nature of solution he used? It is aqua. Okay, we have already discussed this. It is a mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and concentrated nitric acid in ratio 3:1. Okay. Concentrated लिखना भूल जाओगे तो भी marks कटेंगे. Okay. Then give reason why copper is used to make hot water tanks and not steel. Okay. Because copper is much better conductor of heat than steel. Okay. Because copper is much better conductor of heat than steel. Okay. Then this is all about this NCERT book exercise. Okay. Any doubt in any question? Should I discuss any of the question again?
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, okay.